What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If we have not yet met, my name is Johnny Nitafan, and I wanted to share a quick thought with you guys. So I was thinking about this. I had multiple conversations, had a great time back in New Mexico, and it's about the concept of dialing into your vision. I want you to ask yourself this question: what do I really want? And I was thinking about this because I haven't been clear about what exactly do I want? What exactly am I striving for? What exactly am I chasing after? And it really came from me really having to evaluate, because I felt like I've been realizing I'm a super competitive guy. I don't know, you guys are probably like this as well, but maybe you're like me of growing up playing sports. I played basketball. That's actually why I moved out here to Phoenix, Arizona. But I grew up as competitive. I wanted to win. I wanted to just absolutely dominate people and I wanted to be number one. And what that meant was being the best player, getting the offers, getting the looks, getting the college coaches calling my name, offering me scholarships. And that's what I was driving for, and that's what I was striving for. And I could definitely relate that to business and wanting to be number one. I want all these different things, having all these accolades. But what I've realized is that if you're constantly in that competitive environment, which is great, I love it. And if you're like me, you probably love competition as well. But it also can lead to a lot of discontentment as well. And what do I mean by that? It's if you're not clear on your vision, if you're not clear on the things that you want, you're gonna end up living in somebody else's realm, living in somebody else's world, living someone else's dream for you. Because the reality is, some people, their goal is to be a billionaire. Some people, their goal is to be a trillionaire, or some people's goal is just to have 100,000. But if you're constantly comparing where you're at, maybe somebody else wants more. Maybe somebody else wants something else rather than you, and they're willing to give up more things than maybe you are. And comparison is the thief of all joy. And that's what I've realized, because I've thought I haven't been clear on my vision. I haven't been clear on what I'm looking for. And so if you're watching this video and you watching this exact video in this moment, I want you to ask yourself, what is your vision, and dial it in. And here's some practicals that I'm actually going to be doing that I've already done a little bit and have helped me already, but I just want to continue doing this. And I know a lot of successful people do this as well, is they sit down, they take time, and they think out their future. They think of, what do I really want? And I want you to ask yourself, what do you really want? Do you really want those nice cars, or is that just, will that gain status for other people that maybe you don't even like, to be honest? Or maybe you do like those, but the reality is, I guarantee Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, they don't really care about what other people think. I mean, Elon Musk has proven that time and time again, whether you love him or hate him, he doesn't care what other people thinks. He just does what really his vision is, and he wants to have positive change and impact in the world. And so I want to ask you, what are you really striving for? What is your vision? Are you clear on your vision? Do you have a step-by-step do you have step-by-steps how to get there? Do you have a plan? Do you have a backup plan, right? A way that you can definitely accomplish that goal. Hey, if this goes wrong, I'm gonna do this. And obviously you learn that over time. It's a process, and as you continue going on, things get you just adapt to it. But here's the thing, you have to be dialed in on your vision, because if not, you're gonna be living someone else's vision for your life. And it's just not a happy place, because what makes one person happy doesn't always make the other, another person happy as well. I like working out, and maybe you don't like working out, or maybe you do like working out. But if I'm constantly comparing different areas that I honestly don't really care about, then like what's the point? There's lack of joy that comes with that. And so the whole point of that I'm really making this video is like, why? What do you want? What do you really, really want? And I'm just documenting my journey along the way. I just want to share this thought with you because it was super helpful. I feel like I've had breakthroughs. I feel like it's helped me be more clear in my vision, not being swayed back and forth when I hear this person doing this person doing this, doing really well. It's helped me dial in my vision. And so again, if we have not yet met, my name is Johnny Nitafan. I help insurance agencies grow and scale their businesses. And so if you haven't already, click the link down below and subscribe for a lot more content. Like the video as well, share it with a friend, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.